Good morning, world. Welcome to day 199. My air conditioning is really freaking loud. Anyway, we're here, Lido Beach. It's just across the street from where we're staying. So we're staying here. Walk across the street. There's the beach. So we stayed here 26 years ago for our honeymoon. And this is also the place we stayed that made us want to move to Florida. So we stayed here for, I want to say like 3 or 4 days. And yeah, we looked at each other and said, one day we want to move here. So when we moved here, we were looking for a place in the Sarasota area, because that's where we're at now, Sarasota. And the schools and the prices and all drove us a little further south. But this is it. This is the whole reason that we live in Florida. This beach, this hotel, and our honeymoon 26 years ago. So today's agenda is to get up, get dressed, go downstairs, go across the street, and go position ourselves over there in front of the water and just spend the day on the beach, chilling, maybe walking the beach. We'll find some lunch at some point, find some dinner at some point, but there's like, I want to say they said like 36 or 40 restaurants, like a block and a half from here at Armand Circle, where I showed you guys yesterday, where we went and got our massages. Speaking of massages, man, my back is so sore from them getting the knots out of it yesterday. I told Angie, I said, if I don't wake up bruised tomorrow, I will be surprised. But anyway, so back's pretty sore today to the touch. Like if I lean against something, it hurts. Anyhow, I'm rambling. I do have my cup of coffee already this morning, and yeah, I'm ready to go to the beach. We'll see you guys over there. Alright, this time we went to the beach and actually made it before 6 p.m. Getting ready to go hop in the water, but this is our spot for the day. For those of you that follow along, you remember we went for Mama Badger's birthday, and we literally worked all day and went to the beach at like 6 p.m. So this morning we're working away in the room, and I'm like, are we going to the beach at 6 p.m. again? So we got motivated and got out here. So we're gonna spend the day enjoying the beach. All right, time for some water.
What you doing, honey? You guys missed it. We couldn't record it, but Sonny, my umbrella flew off. Sonny tried to get out of the chair, flew backwards. I moved the chair back, but he like literally fell over and ran after the umbrella, and it didn't get recorded. I got an idea. How about you help me? Damn it!
All right, guys. So we spent the day at the beach. It's official. We beached it all day. We spent the entire day, well, from 11 to like 6 on the beach. Then we went back to the hotel. We got cleaned up, and then we are here eating at the Salty Dog.
Yes, got it right.
I got it right. I've been saying something else. Oh, the Salty Crab. I've been saying the Salty Crab. Anyway, we're at the Salty Dog on Longboat Key, and this is like our view from where we're eating. You can see out over the water. Kind of just a little like building, just a typical Florida restaurant on the water. I mean, this is pretty atypical for a restaurant on the water. Bar food, like I think we're having shrimp tacos and fish tacos. But I did hear her say something about like key lime pie. Yeah. So we do have like Ben and Jerry's like down the street from us. We have like 8 ice cream shops a block from our hotel room. So we'll see. Mama said she had 3 scoops of ice cream last night. She sat enough for 3 weeks. Yeah. So we'll see what we can talk her into. Anyway, what a full day. Did you have a good 26th wedding anniversary? Yes, I didn't want to leave. He's the one that made me leave. Yep, I was done. I can only sit in one spot on the beach for so long until I'm like, I gotta go. And it's a good thing. We do have little spots on us that are burnt. Like I have spots. Like I missed putting
Can I show them your legs? Can I show them your legs?
on certain spots, and so I have little burn spots on my legs. And and Mama Badger's got on the side of her hip because she wore shorts down there, took them off for her bathing suit, and again then got burnt. So anyway, time to eat, and we'll see you guys later.
Real quick, yeah, there's the menu, but it says chow down. Did you see it? You can't see it on your side. This looks like a dog. It's like a dog bowl.
If they bring our food out in a dog bowl, that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let me tell you how lame we are. We were sitting here by the water, eating dinner. We got done eating, and we've been sitting here for probably the last half an hour. Did you say half an hour? Maybe longer? Probably longer. And we're talking about work. We're literally talking about sport bikers. We're like, we can do this, and what about this? And that'd be really cool for everybody. And so, you know, we're just sitting here like, what more can we have? What more can we provide? What more can we do? And it's our 26th wedding anniversary, and we're literally sitting here talking about support bikers. But like Mama Badger said, what'd you say?
What did I say? I don't remember.
She said we must really love what we do.
Oh, yeah.
To be able to talk about it all the time and not be like upset that we're talking about it all the time.
Yeah.
But anyway.
This is how great ideas come up.
Right?
It's sitting around like this. When our mind is open.
And just kind of kicking ideas back and forth. I mean, that's how support bikers came about. So anyway, we're gonna hang up with you and continue our conversation, or we're gonna go to the beach and watch the sunset.
Sunset.
We're headed to sunset. We'll see you in a few. Alright, so we left our normal beach and went back down to the south end of Lido Key, and we went that way last night. So tonight we went this way, and there's a big bunch of, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it. There's a whole bunch of nesting birds back here. And I know you're not going to be able to see the little baby birds because they kind of blend in with the sand, but there's a whole bunch of baby birds out there. And then there's, yeah, they've got it all marked off here to keep out. But birds like everywhere. And the bird crossing, they're literally like flying right in front of us and around us and over us. But yeah, we're out here on the very end.
Which is that channel, so they can
yeah, there's
see.
a channel
there.
there.
The channel, but this is the man-made channel.
And then there's I don't see the hoverboard guy anymore.
Oh no.
But then the Gulf is out here. You go down that way. Our hotel is down that way.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're just
Look at these guys.
look at these guys.
They're so cool looking.
They're like, we're out of here. We don't want to be on camera.
They're shy. Shy bird.
Anyway, we're just kind of walking, enjoying the beach and the sunset, and finishing our anniversary off. Tomorrow we'll get up.
We need to go put our names in the sand because we did that
26 years ago. We better do that before it gets dark.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to put our names in the sand and take a picture. And then tomorrow we get up and head back home. Sad. How pretty that is. Alright, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, this is it. I'm calling it the end of our anniversary trip. And it's a view from our balcony. It's beautiful. Anyway, I need to get this video edited and uploaded, so we will see you tomorrow.